What if cars could fly? No traffic jams, no crowded roads, just people traveling through the sky like something from a science fiction movie. It sounds exciting, but could flying cars actually replace airplanes? Or are they more dangerous than we think? Today, we're exploring the future battle. Flying cars versus airplanes. Every day, millions of people waste hours stuck in traffic. Cities are becoming more crowded, and roads are struggling to handle so many vehicles. Because of this, companies around the world are trying to create a new future of transportation. And that future may be flying cars. What once looked impossible is now becoming reality. Several companies have already built working flying car prototypes. Some can rise vertically like helicopters, while others look like small futuristic aircraft. These vehicles are designed to fly above traffic and help people travel faster inside cities. Imagine leaving your house and reaching your destination in just minutes by flying over buildings and roads. No traffic signals, no traffic jams. It sounds like the perfect solution, but there's a major problem nobody talks about. The sky is far more dangerous than roads. If thousands of flying cars fill the air every day, even a small mistake could become deadly. One software error, one battery failure, or one careless driver could cause serious accidents in the sky. Weather is another huge challenge. Heavy rain, storms, strong winds, and fog can already affect airplanes. Smaller flying cars could struggle even more in bad weather conditions. Then comes air traffic control. Airplanes, on the other hand, are built for long-distance travel. They can carry hundreds of passengers across countries and continents safely and quickly. Modern aircraft are supported by powerful engines, advanced technology, and decades of safety improvements. So, can flying cars replace airplanes completely? Probably not. Experts believe both technologies may work together in the future. Flying cars could become air taxis inside cities, while airplanes continue handling international travel around the world. One thing is certain. The future of transportation is changing rapidly. Flying cars are no longer just a dream. They are becoming real. But here's the final question. Would you trust a flying car flying above your house every single day?